Welcome to Module 2. At this point, you've completed Module 1 and taken the quiz, which unlocked Module 2. In this section, we'll start talking about your individual success plan. So at this point, you'll see on this page the form Individual Success Plan. You can open that in Word or print that off. If you need to hit pause on the video, please do so now and get a copy of that available as you're going to be answering some of the questions on the form. You're also going to have the opportunity to take this form with you. It's a living document that you can continue to contribute and change and adjust your answers over time. It's important to have a plan. Successful students make a plan to succeed. First question is, why are you here? You may be here to increase your job skills, maybe accomplish a degree or certificate, or complete a program, or transfer onto a four-year institution. It's important to know why you're here so that you can make good academic decisions and planning in order to successfully complete those goals. Let's cover some student success tips. Students who succeed set up a class schedule they can handle. It's important to know what a credit hour is, and also the study time you're going to need to prepare for class. 1 hour in class is usually equal to about 2 hours of study time. So for a 3-credit class, you can expect to spend about 6 hours outside of class studying for that class. You need to keep in mind your personal commitments as well. There's a major difference between taking 12 and 15 credit hours. For example, for a student taking 12 credits or 15 credits, it's still considered full-time. For a student taking 12 credits, the expectation is that you're going to need study time about 24 hours a week. You add that to the 12 hours a week of in-class time, and you're looking at about 36 hours total time in class and studying. If you're taking 15 credit hours, it's going to be about 30 hours of study time outside of class for a total of 45 hours, well over a full-time job. So if you have other commitments or obligations such as family, if you have transportation challenges, and maybe you're going to work part-time or full-time while going to school, this may create or propose some bigger challenges for you as well too. It's important to use a calendar, track tests and big assignments that are coming up. Don't just track when they're due or when the test is, but when you anticipate on studying or when you plan on studying for these assignments and tests. Set up a study schedule and write it down. It's most important that you show up to it as well too. You're going to have different obligations and things pulling you in different directions as a student. It's important that first and foremost you show up for classes and you show up for your study time. Students who succeed get support. They know their faculty. They can even form a study group. And as soon as you have trouble, talk with an instructor, utilize a tutor, and talk with an advisor or counselor before dropping any of your classes.